All right, guys, as a follow-up to yesterday's video, how to anchor, or at least how I anchor my duck boat. I guess I didn't really talk much about the anchor. I was more concerned about the float. So come on, let's check it out, show you what I use. There we go. It is a number 13 fluke style, Danforth, whatever you want to call it. It is galvanized for salt water, but with the 17, the 21, and the 25-foot boat, I use the number 8. I did use the number 8 on this for the past 2 seasons, and honestly, especially kind of with the chop we have today, the east wind, it did want to move on me, so I bumped her up to the 13. The other, I think the most important thing is I've got 15 foot of chain on there, so that really helps get it down and give it a chance to bump in. And after I clean up, I'm going to pop the motor into reverse just to kind of help take the pressure off so that the anchor can get a chance to get dug in. So that's all I got. That is all I got. So thanks for following along. But better yet, let's check out the footage from today. Day 11 to 60. Happy Thursday. There's your birds. Get on them. Get them, get them, get them, get them. Oh, come on now. They were inside the deep. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. All right, we got one on the outside there. Clean up anything on the inside here, please. We'll take a ride on that one. That was nice. That was nice. Okay, we'll go, we'll go. Let him get here, let him get here. Let's see where the drakes are. That's the first side of drake. All brown.
Oh no, don't put me in the spot.
Come on, man, now you gotta do it.
What do I say, Jay?
You said you're gonna do an outro. You said you're gonna do an outro. I don't know.
Boom, we're out of here. Let's go.
Safe travels home, guys. Thank you very much.
Put me on the spot.
Oh, come on. It's all good.